Sometimes things get put into locks that shouldn't be there. They need to be removed. Sometimes the key is damaged and it needs to be replaced. Sometimes the lock itself is just gummed up. So there's grease on almost every lock to keep it moving smoothly. But over years, hot, cold, dry, wet, dust, all of these environmental factors are attacking the grease in your lock. And it's just getting tacky. Grease over time stops being viscous and starts being harder and tacky. So how do you fix that? The easy solution is WD-40. WD-40 is magic. Just squirt some of that inside your lock and it will start working again. The problem with that is WD-40 will attract dust to it over time and you might need to WD-40 it again. It's a temporary fix. It'll help out a lot. Don't get me wrong. WD-40 is pretty good stuff. But it's not necessarily a permanent solution. What you really want to do is remove the lock, clean it, put fresh grease on it, and put it back in, and that's a better permanent solution. That's a little more complicated, though. Car door locks, sometimes it depends on the door. Sometimes the whole door needs to be taken apart to get the lock out. So it's kind of an involved process. Is shooting some WD-40 on it and living with that temporarily a better solution, or is having the actual lock service by removing it from the vehicle a better option? It kind of depends on the situation and the vehicle and really what the core problem is. But as far as just jammed, usually locks are jammed because something broke or somebody stuck something in the lock that shouldn't be there. If those aren't the cases, then it's usually just an old tired lock and it needs to be serviced.